So here we are at the Utah State Fair for 2019. It's something we try to do once a year. What's some of your favorite spots?
The food.
The food. Fried everything. So, trivia question for you. The fair is a smorgasbord.
What movie?
What movie? Part 2, which character? And part 3, who was the actor that played that character or actress? Comment below, tell us. We might pick a winner. Subscribers, Lexi, hey, look what we've got here in the US, all the way from Canada.
These would you choose? Lots of different foods for us to try. I'm so excited. So we got our first set of food, corn on the cob with just some butter and some salt.
They call these ribbon fries.
Are they Idaho?
I don't know.
So what are your guys' favorite foods to eat at the fair? This is so good.
These are good too. These look easy to make. It looks like you just take a vat of oil and then you put one of these potatoes on those firers and just knock it in.
I love me a good corn on the cob.
We'll probably try another one because here they like to slather it in mayo. We'll try that.
Yummy. Okay, we'll come back to you with our next.
Continue to watch. We're going to have a full day here at the fair.
How do you feel?
Nice. It's a good thing. I don't know if we can have this in the house. They'll never see me.
You would always know where he's at.
I know. Tie you up, take your credit card, go shopping.
That might be a good thing. You always know where he's at.
What's up this way? Animals of wizardry. You know, dummy, he's in a heat lamp.
Hi, turtle.
Oh, there he is. What's the matter, Flirty?
Scary.
There's only a few things that Flirty makes her nervous. What are they?
Snakes and aliens. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. It's a cane toad.
Texas to North-South America and introduced into Florida, Australia, New Guinea, and even Hawaii.
It looks a little dehydrated. It needs some water, I think.
Looks like his diet's the same as mine. Anything it can catch and swallow.
Ew. California king snake. Oh, it's not in there. It's hiding.
It's down there.
Don't.
Oh no, they've got her stuck in there. I need to get her out. So just like any other fair, it's a lot of exhibits, a lot of flea market, and a lot of contests of local entries of different variations. This one looks like photography. I've already gone through and judged them. And it doesn't seem to matter what day we pick, it's always gotta rain. So we're gonna try to stay within the buildings. Holy crap! Flirty, you go ahead.
So you remember the very first time?
I'm thinking this is the first time we came to the fair.
I thought, oh, Tuesday's gonna be perfect because it's not gonna rain. It's gonna be cloudy, so it's not gonna be hot.
And the weather report says it's not supposed to be doing this till 7 o'clock. Didn't the weather get the notice?
Yeah.
So, oh, it's
Hey, let's
Utah
run.
in 5 minutes. We gotta run. That's one thing about Utah. Wait 5 minutes, the weather will change. So right now, because of this, we're just gonna try to go from exhibit center to exhibit center, and we'll get that part out. We're going into sculptures, it looks like, for the kids area. One of the two. So this is what Nerdy and Flirty, or Flirty and I are doing. It's diamond art. What they did is they took that picture, sent it to a company who pixelated it, and on each one of these little beads, they put it together so that they have the diamond art version of the painting. Since 1998, the Buttercow sculpture has been one of the most popular attractions at the State Fair. They spend nearly 5 days molding, carving, shaping, mold more than 700 pounds of sweet cream butter.
Poor cow, it's getting cut in half.
Some did you knows? The Buttercow is a Utah State Fair tradition since 1998. You were listening, you knew that. Also, it's comprised of 700 plus pounds of butter. That's more than 22,400 pieces of toast. Properly refrigerated, the Buttercow can last for up to 6 weeks.
That's a lot of fat.
Flirty, where are you going? Uh-oh. Flirty found fair heaven. Deep fried cookie dough, deep fried Oreo, deep fried cheesecake, deep fried Reese's Big Cup, Snickers, Nutella, the whole naughty selection. Hi guys. Life is about traditions, and hopefully you're enjoying our tradition of
Coming to the fair in the rain.
in the rain. There's also some other traditions we do here because there's a lot of different spots here that are the same year after year. And one of the traditions are we get married. Oh no, we just get our rings cleaned.
Nice and sparkly.
In one of the market areas every year in the same spot as this jewelry cleaning compound stuff.
We even own it.
Yeah, we use it, but it's always nice to have somebody else do it for us.
Mm-hmm.
So come on guys, let's see what other trouble we can get into. And this is what they tell us to do about the rain. Suck it up.
go. And
Nice.
Oh, those are cool.
That's awesome.
I really like those.
there you go.
Does very much so.
Yay!
Glad you guys like it. There you go. And we'll roll the soap.
So if we get so much jealousy over our pictures, how are we going to send them and say, hey, come see you get your own?
Oh,
You have a card?
of course. Well, I have my information. I'm all fresh out of cards, but you can reach me on Gig Salad and Instagram.
Gig salad? Or
Yeah, Gig Salad.
I can say that would go right along with nerdy. Geek salad.
Gig Salad. Let me get you one of your plastic sleeves.
So guys, if you're ever at one of the fairs and you want a great caricature, look at this. Look these guys up.
Hey.
Here's one aspect of the fair that is a little beyond our adventurism. You also have your standard carnival rides. But that is something we just don't do, right, Flirty?
What?
We don't do carnival rides.
It's scary.
What would a fair be without the animals?
I was 7 years old and I weigh over 1,200 pounds. My breed is Yorkshire and I eat about 20 pounds of green a day. I know where fountain green is. Smells stinky.
Who are we looking for?
Totes, my goats. Hey, I don't think you're supposed to be chewing on that.
How old are they?
16 days. This one's the biggest one.
One of the simplest ones is we've placed our barn off of the road and away from as many residents as we possibly.
Okay, so now it's trip number 2 to see what we missed the first time around. And one thing I didn't realize, I know a celebrity sculptress. This lamp was done by Deborah Pratt. I went to high school with her, and this is back in Binghamton, New York. And I'd like to say she followed me, but no, we just ran into each other. And check it out. Her lamp got first place. Now she made this, so that's pretty awesome. All of these are pretty awesome. The time that it takes these people, the creativity, and just the ideas is all amazing to me.
My chicken, I made him come in the corner. Vlogging in public is hard.
No, it's not. It's just a matter. We were in a spot. We're gonna show you where we got our delicious food from. Nerdy, what'd you get?
A
Nerdy?
bean and cheese burrito and some plantains.
Nice.
I have a limited option here.
I found totes.
Poor goat.
Check out.
Taste this plantain.
Mm,
Good. I
Good.
like plantains.
very good.
Taste your
Here,
goat.
try this goat. A little stringy. Good. I got it from a Jamaican outlet here. So a lot of great spices involved. And I got my own little plantains here. Along with I'm sorry. along with some rice and some looks like handmade coleslaw. Oh, this is our food break. And then we're gonna go around and check out a little bit more. Find a good fair style dessert. To finish off our smorgasbord. Have you figured out who it is yet? Shh. Remember, in the comments, tell us the name of the movie, the character who sang that the fair is a smorgasbord, and for extra credit, the actor who played that. See you guys soon. Bye. Hello. I get an order of Kit Kat fries.
We're gonna try some Kit Kat fries.
So we found our treat. We got Kit Kat fries.
Yum!
So,
Have you ever had these?
well, deep fried anything. So we're gonna go ahead and devour these and not tease you guys by making you watch us eat these. We hope you had as much fun at the fair as we did. Remember, there's always things. This is local. I mean, we happen to be in the center of the state, but there's a lot of local things around you. Just go out there and explore. Share. Tell us some of the things you find in your local area.
And if not, make sure you subscribe
And like and live vicariously through us.
and ring the bell so you can come with us on our next adventure. So let's taste these bad boys.
I just got done telling him we weren't going to eat them in front of him.
Yeah, we are. Anyone had a deep fried Kit Kat?
So I guess the secret is you got to make sure whatever you're going to deep fry is frozen first.
Mm-hmm.
But
They're okay.
it's like a donut encrusted with a Kit Kat in the center. But anyways, guys, thank you for joining us. Join us whenever you want. We'd like you to join us all the time. From Nerdy
Flirty and a lot dirty.
yeah,
A little bit.
a little bit.
See you guys.
Bye, guys.